Are we building a future we don't even understand? The gap between AI insiders and the rest of the world just became a canyon. Welcome to chaos, week where billions are made, but humanity is being left behind.
Let's get started with the details.
You know, the world of AI is moving so fast, it's enough to give you whiplash. One day, it's a new billion-dollar company. The next, it's a product that changes, well, everything. It feels like pure chaos. So, for the next few minutes, we're going to try and make some sense of all the madness.
You blink and boom, an AI chip startup, Cerebras, one of the companies building the literal brains behind this revolution, is filing to go public.
And before you can even process that, bam! Tesla's robo-taxis are suddenly live in Dallas and Houston.
Then, while you're still picturing driverless cars, OpenAI goes and buys a personal finance startup called Hero. Feeling that whiplash yet? Good, because that's the whole point. The sheer, overwhelming volume of news, that's the real story here.
Okay, so how on earth do we make sense of this? We're going to break it down into 4 parts. First, we'll follow the money, the AI gold rush. Then we'll see what all that cash is actually building. After that, we'll look at the people caught in the middle of this whirlwind. And finally, we'll dig into a massive disconnect that might just be the most important story of all.
All right, first up, the AI gold rush. To really get what's happening, you have to follow the money. And right now, the amount of cash flying around is it's on a scale that's almost impossible to wrap your head around.
Just look at this number, $50 billion. That is the potential valuation of a single startup called Cursor. They're reportedly talking about raising over $2 billion, a $50 billion price tag for one company. I mean, let that sink in. That one number tells you everything you need to know about the size of the bets being placed right now.
And look, this isn't just some crazy one-off deal. The absolute giants of Silicon Valley are gearing up for what looks like a multi-year investment war. Sequoia just raised a $7 billion fund just for AI. Excel, another $5 billion. They are placing massive bets all across the board.
And this money, it's not just going to one place. It is flooding every single corner of the AI world. You've got hardware with Cerebras going public. You've got super specific tools like AI for supply chains. You've even got a company called Factory, which helps developers write code, already worth over $1 billion. The entire ecosystem is just drowning in cash.
So where's all this money actually going? Well, it's turning all that abstract code into real-world stuff, products and services that are showing up on our streets and inside the apps we use every day.
This is where it all gets real. Tesla's robotaxis? They're not some sci-fi dream anymore. They're actually driving around major American cities. AI is pushing deeper into creative work with new design tools. The App Store is seeing a huge resurgence, mostly thanks to AI apps. And even something as basic as proving you're human is changing, with projects like Sam Altman's World ID being used to verify you on Tinder and Zoom.
But, behind the billions of dollars and the new hardware and all the complex algorithms, there are people. And this past week really shows that the human side of AI is just as chaotic and fast-moving as the tech itself.
I mean, just look at the churn inside a company like OpenAI. On one hand, you have 2 key executives heading for the door as the company apparently trims its side quests. And then, in the very same breath, they acquire a whole new team by buying the startup Hero. It's this constant, dizzying, revolving door of talent and strategy.
And then, right in the middle of all the talk about valuations and products, you get a moment of profound humanity. Ron Conway, one of the most legendary investors in Silicon Valley, shared that he's battling a rare form of cancer. It's a stark, grounding reminder that behind this whole tech revolution are real people, just trying to navigate their own lives.
So that really makes you stop and think, right? With all this money flying around and all this progress being made at lightning speed by a pretty small group of people, who isn't in the room? Who is being left behind in this massive conversation?
And that question leads us to our final and maybe most critical point, this growing and potentially dangerous disconnect. A huge new report suggests that 2 parallel worlds of AI are forming, and they seem to be drifting further apart every single day.
So, here's the core finding from this new Stanford report. There is a massive, widening gap between the people building the AI and the public who will have to live with it. They have totally different levels of understanding, different priorities, and honestly, very different feelings about where all this is headed.
this isn't just a small disagreement, it's a fundamental disconnect, which all boils down to this one huge critical question. As this gold rush gets faster and crazier, are the architects of this new world building a future that the rest of us don't really understand, or maybe don't even want? That's the real billion-dollar question that wasn't in any of the funding announcements this week. Subscribe to stay ahead of the chaos.